Hello everyone, welcome to a Soul Tarot prediction. I hope you like this reading. I hope this resonates with you. If it doesn't, kindly check out the other YouTubers, guys. This reading is for the month of January 2022. It's a situationship reading. That means it is either related to career or relationship. This situation is going on currently with you. I can also see that um, most of you are giving me good reviews over there. Thank you so much. Let's see what's coming up for you in your situationship reading for Libras for the month of January 2022. Let's see. Okay, you are being very intense into a situation. You are thinking very intensely. You are being very intense when it comes to your career or relationships. Okay, you are gaining a lot of maturity. You are growing. Your inner soul is growing. Okay, it's getting matured, which is very good. You are blossoming yourself. You are just working hard towards either a career or relationship, and you are blossoming every single day. Okay, you're flowering yourself, you're nurturing yourself, which is very good. Self love, self care, which is very good. Let's see. Okay. Okay, Libras, I can see that, if some of the Libras who are not, loving themselves, self love as, there are few of the Libras who are not loving themselves a lot, okay? And there are few people where third party interference was there in the past, but yeah, now in the month of January, the third party interference would be releasing, okay? If you are a third person, you will be releasing into a situation, you will be releasing yourself from the third party situation. If the third party was involved in your relationship, then that will be releasing. Okay, I can also see that if you're not loving yourself, you need to focus on your self love, self care in the month of January. Only then things will work out in your favor. Okay, there are hidden truths, hidden secrets, which are where things are needed to be explained. Okay, there will be things revealed to you, so do not panic. There might be hidden truths, hidden secrets someone is keeping hidden to from you, so be careful about it. There's a new beginning happening for you, new life, new situation, new beginning will be happening for you within an year. Okay, there will be a focus on an opportunity related to money. Okay, so a financial opportunity will be coming related to money, and there will be a new beginning towards you. Okay, either in your career or relationship. Mostly it's money related, mostly it's financial related. So an offer will be coming towards you within next 1 year. Grab that offer, grab that opportunity, because it will change your life for good. Okay, Libras. Yes, and some of you are really working hard towards, some of you, you are getting good income, good money nowadays, which is very good. And the others of you, that offer will be coming within an year, okay, or so. I can also see there is unrequited love. There's not enough attraction or chemistry left to keep this relationship growing. Wow. Okay. Okay, so guys, there are some of you are lacking, chemistry and attraction into this relationship growing. Some, the others of you are just going with the flow. But yeah, not enough chemistry or attraction is left. Okay. I can also see that your love life is influenced by the religious factor. So something's happening in your personal life where things are not working out in your favor or in a relationship, and that's calling you to have a religious or a spiritual perspective. Okay, to take an a spiritual path. Okay, sometimes our life gets shattered in our in our personal life or in our relationship, just because that God wants us to change our path from a normal human path to a spiritual path. Okay, so that's why it might be happening for you. Okay, and the others of you might need to go for an honeymoon, or some of you need an holiday, okay, with your partner. So go out, have a vacation, maybe your perspective will change towards things around that. Okay, I can see that. So yes, let's see what are the universal messages. What are the universal messages? Okay, so there are four universal messages, guys. I'll read it out loud. My vibes speaks louder than my words. The second universal message is my happiness is a direct reflection of my level of faith in the universe. Surrender to the universe, guys. The third universal message is happiness is my birthright. So you need to be happy, Libras. Happiness is utmost important no matter what. The fourth thing is that I let go of the shadow of the past by seeing someone for the first time with the eyes of love, which is very good. So yes, I hope you like this reading. I hope this resonates with you. If it doesn't, kindly check out the other YouTubers, guys. Kindly like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also, wishing you all a very, very, very happy and a prosperous new year, guys. Bye bye. Take care.